So you are here with Electromedia. We will be focusing on electronic repairs, projects, etc. Now we are dealing with the issue in the headphones. Now let's get started. Now we have a Sony headphones. The bottommost ring is the ground terminal, and the second ring is the right speaker wire terminal, and the third terminal is the left speaker wire connector. Using the multimeter in the continuity mode, we check the connectivity of the wires. Place the black probe onto the ground terminal and the red probe to the right speaker wire terminal. We do not get a buzzer sound. Now place the red probe onto the left speaker terminal. We do not get a buzzer sound. This indicates that both the channels are not working. Now let's place the multimeter aside. Let's remove the speaker cushions and place it aside. Once both the cushions are removed, let's remove all the screws from the speaker box and keep it aside. Once all the screws are removed, now let's remove the speakers from the case.
By using a multimeter in continuity mode, let's check the speakers. Place the probes onto the speaker terminal. If we get a buzzer sound, it indicates that the speaker is good. Now we get a buzzer sound. Check it for the other channel also. Now also we get a buzzer sound. This indicates that the speaker is good. Now place the black probe onto the ground wire and the red probe onto the ground wire of the speaker. If we get a buzzer sound, it indicates that the wire is good. Now place the red probe onto the other channel. We do not get a buzzer sound. Now check the right channel positive wire and the left channel positive wire. We do not get a continuity in my case, so that the wire is got damaged. Now we should replace the wire. Now let's desolder the speakers from the case. Now desolder the wire from the other speaker. Now let's place the speaker aside. Let's remove the knot from the wire. When we remove the knot, we can pull out the wire so easily. Now remove the knot of the other speaker also. Place the wire apart from the working area. Now keep all the screws in a container and keep it aside. This is done because we shouldn't lose any of the screws. Now I have old earphones with me. Now let's cut the speaker by using a scissor. Let's cut the speakers apart. Now cut the other speaker wire. Remember the speaker wire which connects to which. Now remove the insulation. Once you have inserted the wire into the speaker case, let's tie a knot to it. This is done when the wire is pulled. The wire doesn't disconnect from the speaker. Now tie a knot to the wire, the other speaker. Now remove the insulation by using a solder gun. Hold the soldering gun just for 2 seconds to remove the insulation. Now place the speakers onto the case and solder the wire to the speaker as shown. Solder it correctly or else noise should be interrupted. Once you have completed your soldering, now let's place the speaker onto the case. Now let's screw it up. Screw the speakers to the case tightly so that it doesn't come apart. Once you have finished screwing up all the 4 screws of the speaker, now let's place the buff onto the speaker. Place the buff as shown. Use any flat object to insert the cushions to the speaker. Insert it tightly so that it doesn't come apart from the speaker. Even insert the cushion for the other speaker. This is how it looks after inserting the cushions. Let's play a demo music using the Sony headphones and listen to the audio.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push my
The headphones is working properly without any problems. For more electronic repairs, projects and programming, stay tuned. Thank you.